Hey everybody, this is Dustin Terry, your RV specialist. So we're out here working on a Grand Design Solitude, and I'm just going to do another quick tool video, right? So we use a lot of newborn caulking guns, and you've seen that I've posted them all the time. I have all different types of articles. So I want to grab a couple of these off here, right? So let me grab that one. Yep. Oh yeah. So basically what we want to show you here is here's 3 different newborn caulking guns that he has. And these are a little bit nicer than the ones that I'm always sharing online. So when you're looking at newborn caulking guns, these pivot, and then they're basically a dripless system. So when you let off the gun, it stops. This one's actually pretty cool because what's nice about this is they're different. There's different thrusts on these. So he's got a different pressure on this one, a different pressure on this one. And then this purple one is an adjustable pressure for newborn. So basically what happens is he can rotate this knob here, and he can take that knob and he can rotate it. And
24 to 1 or 12 to 1.
Yeah, as I say, 12 to 1 ratio or 24 to 1 ratio. So basically doubles the pressure of him removing it. So, there's a lot of guys that are out there that say, hey, let's use the electric ones and this and that. The only problem with that is they work great, but you can't really control them that well. So, we see other guys whose work that comes in and we can identify it right out of the gate. Yep, they used an electric one. So when they're letting off the trigger, they let off the trigger and it's still pumping a lot of stuff out, product, wasting the product, and then making a mess, and then they're drizzling stuff all over the coaches and just making a mess out of it. Our guys like to, whether you want to call it old school, these are nicer guns than you would go get at, like, say, Home Depot or Lowe's, or then you would go get it like a hardware store, like an Ace Hardware or something like that, if there's other hardware stores around you. So, make sure you check out Newborn's site. And this is what they look like. I think on their LinkedIn profile, I think it's Newborn Brothers or something like that. And then we have them, a lot of the different guns and videos, posts, pictures, and then we have them listed on our articles. We have the one that we recommend for the consumer to purchase a lot of times, which are cheaper than these, called the Octagon. And that one's got all different kinds of little attachments and scrapers and putty sticks and things to knock down the sealant and all that kind of fun stuff. So check those out too. I'll try to put some Amazon links on that for you, as well as these in this video. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin and Terry, your RV specialist.